Sometimes you get a money block and you don't think that you can get to that certain level or make that certain amount of money. There's a lot of clients that I've recently onboarded, and for me to tell them, hey, I can book you 10 to 15 appointments a day, they think that's ridiculously insane. But when I do it, they realize that, oh shit, this is serious. Or when I talk to my e-com clients and I say, all right, you're doing about $500, $700 a day. What if we took you up to 3 to 4 to 5K a day? And they actually get scared. Some people get worried that it may be wrong, that maybe it's not supposed to be, that maybe their business is like scamming people, okay? And this is a huge thing. This is a mental block plus a money block. Recently, I onboarded a new client who I scaled very quickly. And she said that she would have been impressed if I beat her best month, right? And, I'm obviously not going to disclose names for the privacy of the client, but she knew about $26,000 was her biggest month. And I said, I know for a fact that I can beat that. And I can probably double that in the first month. Which, fast forward to right now, we still have 6 days, 7 days left in the month. I'm going to beat her best month ever by twice the amount. I'm going to double her revenue from her biggest month in the first 30 days. And when I was doing this and when she saw the sales rolling in, she was like, holy crap, I can't believe this. Like, how is this happening? It's because she has access, okay? Something that's very important in the marketing and, direct response world. You need access to things, to people, to information that will put you and your business ahead. The reason why the 1% is 1% for a reason is because we are willing to put money where our mouth is. We are willing to put money in things that we know are better than what we are currently doing. We want an advantage. We want access to people and things that are not what we already have. And when we do so, we open ourselves up to that next level, because when we get access to things that we never had access to before, we level up. And the reason why most people don't succeed is because they are afraid to level up. They think that they don't deserve it. They think that if it's too expensive, then they don't want to be a part of it, because that financial increment matters so much to them that they don't want to give it that kind of money to get access. And I'm telling you right now, over the past 3 years, all the things that I've been able to learn, achieve, and accomplish have been because of my access to people, strategies, groups, circles, everything that I've put myself in front of that I know is going to put me in a better situation to make more money. And that is the goal, okay? Not always about money, but to put your business forward. When you're able to reach more people, customers, and build a bigger brand, you're not just putting equity in money, you're putting equity in your name and what you do and the knowledge that you have and the strategies that you know that others don't. So the next time someone gives you an opportunity that you've never had access to, that will help you out, stop saying no. Okay? Put your money where your mouth is and start investing in things that are going to put you forward, because then you will always stay static and stagnant and never get to that next level.